All right, so in this video, I'm going to uh, detail you how to use uh, the M file, the format, the post in the Blackboard to work the homework. All right, so I'm sure that everybody just download and they install the Octave, right? So you see here the editor window and the command window, and then right there is file browser, workspace, and the command history, and then right there, this is variable editor. So okay, so first I'll make sure that you download the file, change this file name to your officername.m file. You the first set path right there, file browser, you should see that file right there. Okay, so make sure that and then yeah, and also make sure that you change the file name eventually, and then the title, this homework, week 1 homeworks, see right, just week 1 and then homework. Okay, and the name is just write your name. Okay, and then date is just maybe uh, May 22nd, something like that. All right, so question 1. So here you should write the answer for each questions between, you see the question answer and the end of question. So for example, the first problem in the question 1, I think problem number 22.1, right? So the maybe just okay. So I think the answer for the question, first question in 2.1, and question number 1 is a 1 plus 3 or 4. Then just write this, okay? And then next, and then go to the next line, and then write the answer for the second question in question number 1, okay? And then once you're done, you figure out write all the answers, okay, in question 1, and then move to the right here, the next the question and the end of question. Okay, so then how do you know if that file works, I mean this file return the answer right or not? So once you're done, just make sure that you save. Okay, save file, and then type the file name and file name for this one. Since I didn't change the file name, so just change this file name to your officer name. But if you have changed the file name to your name, then just write your name, okay, and then just enter. Okay, then you see the, you see 1.75. That's the answer, I mean the computation, a result of computation of 1 plus 3 or 4 in question number 1. Okay, so now you can see how to now use that format and how to check that M file return the answer right or not. Okay, all right, so any questions? If you have questions, please make a thread in a discussion communication board in Blackboard, so that everybody can see, everybody just having the same question can see the answer for your question through the thread in a communication board and a Blackboard. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. You just send the email to me, but I prefer to communicate communicate with you through the Blackboard. Okay, all right. So let me stop here.